Annyeonghaseyo Nadine.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 학살 초등학교 3학년 나딘입니다.
Okay, sit down Nadine. Ang imong Korean speech mo na annyeonghaseyo. Chonon ahopsal chudonghakyo samhangyon Nadine imnida. Dili siya paspason lang ga hinayon. Klaro ang tingog then kusgon para madungog. So Nadine, you're given 1 month chance as a temporary student sa study room. So, unsa may buhaton na to sa study room?
Magkaton times.
Magkat-on og multiplication table. So, kana nga 1 month chance, taas kay na siya para magtuon tag multiplication table. So, kamaon na ba kas multiplication table?
Gamay.
Okay, gamay. So, atong testingan. 6, 5.
36.
That's 30 lang ga ha. 9, 3.
27.
8, 4.
28.
8, 4 lang ga is 32. 6, 3.
18.
Okay, that's 18. 4, 3.
12.
Okay, very good. 12. So, need pa jud ka nga mo study more lang ga ha para makapasta puhon ning random questions na to ha. So, push pag yun sa pag-study. So, karon akong i-test imong reading skills.
The hunter and the
Wild
wild pig. Hunter
caught
wild pig. He great
larger.
larger.
Okay, Nadine. So, nag-start na ang atong 1 month karon ha. So, hopefully, study more sa multiplication table. Okay, bye-bye for now, Nadine.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, JL.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 2학년 제일입니다.
Okay, JL, your grade 2. 6 years old pa ka nga, no? Okay. So, JL, you're given 1 month chance nga mahimong temporary student sa study room. So, mag-unsa man ta as temporary student? Unsay tun-an nato?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. Magtuon tag multiplication table. So, kamaon na ka sa multiplication table.
Gamay.
Okay, atong testingan ha. 4, 3.
21.
That's 12 lang ga ha. 5, 2.
6.
10 na lang ga ha. 6, 3.
35.
18 na ha. Okay, JL, mag-study pa kag hard ha. Study more sa multiplication table. So, ayaw lang ka-worry kay naamang kay 1 month chance para magtuon sa multiplication table ha. Okay, karon atong testingan imong reading skills. Preparing
for the
rainy
rainy days. On a warm summer day, a grasshopper was sitting in the garden. It
laugh
laughed at the ant, which was busy
busy gathering
and storing food for the winter. The ant told the grasshopper to the
same
same, but it only
laugh.
laughed at the ant.
Okay, JL, mao na ta tong sabot ha. Mag-study pa ka og multiplication. So, fighting! JL, fighting!
Fighting.
Bye-bye, JL.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo dyan.
안녕하세요.
Please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 5학년 잔입니다.
Okay, sit down. So, Jan, you're given 1 month chance as a temporary student sa study room. So, ang 1 month, mag-unsa man ta sa 1 month? Magtuon. Unsa may tuon anato?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. Magtuon ta sa multiplication table. So, kamaon na ka sa multiplication table.
Gamay.
Pwede na ito testingan. Okay. 5, 3.
15.
9, 6.
9, 6. 54.
54. 9, 3.
18. Ay, 27.
8, 7.
8, 7.
Okay, ay. Walay problema dyan na nakuha mo kay chance nga maka-study ka sa multiplication table. So, I know kamao ka. So, study more pag yun ha. So, karon atong testingan imong reading skills.
He told the tree to give him more fruits too, so he would not go to the hill every day. The next day, the lion was excited to go to the hill. He expected to see more fruits, but still the tree had only one fruit. The lion was not happy. He thought that the tree did not like to give more fruits. The lion was angry. He thought that the tree kept more fruits in its.
Annyeonghaseyo, Aljin.
안녕하세요.
So, what you have learned about you read?
I have learned the Pablo and the eggs. You need to listen. I listen to someone's advice because not all the time we are right.
Okay. So, mo na imong na understand sa imong gibasa nga books. So, keep it up, Aljin, ha?
Yes.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jillian.
안녕하세요.
So, what you reading, man?
The catch by the fins and growled and wouldn't move an inch. He shook his head at the flowers. He shook his head at the fins. He was there.
So, what you have understand? Sa imong nasabtan sa imong gibasa?
Ang sigrab kay kuan iyang gikatch ang sigrab daw kay iyang catch Ang fins.
Unsa man ang fins?
Kahoy.
Unsa nang fins? Sa English, unsa ang fins?
Ang
Coral na siya ha, ang fins ha. So, ang in English sa coral is fins. So, Julian, sa imong gibasa, you have to understand sa mga words para na kay matun-an. Na kay lesson learn sa imong gibasa. Dili lang kay basahon nato, dapat sabton pod ha. Okay, continue.